Hello and welcome to Create with Nature channel. My name is Salomeja and I love creating with materials found in nature. Approximately 2 years ago, say starting with doing land art in nature and starting to collect those flowers and pressing them and creating art. So today I am going to make from pressed flowers, kind of spring colors like narcissus, forget-me-nots, bluebells, Cynthia, Boston, or what we called California lilac, and many different flowers and some leaves. So I'm going to, as you know, it's spring now and Mother's Day coming and Easter and lots of other maybe occasions, even birthdays, to make handcrafted gift for your loved one, like framed art or even greeting card. Here I'm going to make art on a A4 size that I'm going to frame in a frame. So kind of like a bucket, flower bucket from these flowers. So let's see, it will be experimental of course, and hope will inspire you to make some handcrafted gifts to your loved ones. If you don't have any pressed flowers at the moment, there's plenty online you can buy, like on Etsy and eBay. There's people selling them all kind of variations and beautiful flowers. So yeah, and hope you will enjoy this video and see you next time.